Alright, we got this Northeast Electric Company Ooga Horn, made in the USA, Model X, serial number 327. 3756C model number, 6 volts. She wouldn't chooch, man. I hooked her up, nut, and so I pulled off her skull cap, and looky there. Had a look at her, and little copper make it happener right there was all bunged up. It was missing a cotter pin holding in the spring there on that brush. Got these weird looking like metal brushes, copper or something. It's not carbon, I don't think. But anyways, give her a good Dremel whiz and hooked her up. The lightning wires there to the finest Chinesium lithium-ion battery. And guess what? Look at that. Look at the lightning happening. She's alive!